Ouch, my tooth really hurts.
What happened? You've been holding your cheek all morning.
I started feeling pain last night, but now it's much worse.
Which tooth hurts?
The back one on the left side. Every time I drink something cold, I feel a sharp pain.
That sounds painful. Did you take any medicine?
I took a painkiller, but it only helped for a little while.
Maybe you should see a dentist before it gets worse.
I know. I was hoping it would go away on its own.
Toothaches usually don't disappear without treatment.
You're probably right. I barely slept last night because of the pain.
Then you definitely need an appointment today.
Yeah, I think I'll call a dentist soon.
Are you feeling any better now?
Not really. The pain keeps coming and going.
Did you eat anything hard or sweet before this started?
Yesterday, I ate a lot of chocolate and ice cream during the movie night.
And did you brush your teeth before sleeping?
Honestly, no. I was too tired and went straight to bed.
Jane, you always say you'll brush later and then forget.
I know. Now I regret it.
Maybe you have a cavity.
That's what I'm afraid of.
You should stop eating sweets for a few days too.
That's going to be difficult.
More difficult than a toothache?
Okay. You win.
Good. Let's call the dentist and get this fixed.
Thanks for helping me. I'm actually nervous about going.
Don't worry. I'll go with you if you want.
Really?
Of course.
Good morning, Sunshine Dental Clinic. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment. I have a really bad toothache.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling pain?
Since last night, but it became worse this morning.
All right. Do you feel sensitivity to hot or cold food?
Yes, especially cold drinks.
I understand. We have an available appointment at 3 p.m. today. Does that work for you?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Jane Miller.
Thank you, Jane. Please arrive 15 minutes early for registration.
Okay, I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We'll see you this afternoon.
Hello, Jane. I'm Dr. Brown. What seems to be the problem today?
Hi, doctor. I have a terrible pain in one of my back teeth.
I see. When did the pain start?
Last night. At first it was mild, but now it's much stronger.
Does it hurt while eating or drinking?
Yes, especially when I drink something cold.
All right. Please open your mouth so I can examine the tooth.
Okay.
I can already see some decay. We should take an X-ray to check the inside of the tooth.
Is it serious?
Don't worry yet. Many cavities are easy to treat if we catch them early.
I hope it's nothing too bad.
We'll know more after the X-ray. Jane, I checked your X-ray results. You have a cavity in your back tooth.
Oh no. Is that why it hurts so much?
Yes. The decay reached a sensitive area of the tooth.
Will I need surgery?
No, not at all. A simple filling should solve the problem.
That's a relief.
I'll numb the area first, so you won't feel pain during the procedure.
I'm still a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Most patients feel nervous before dental treatment.
How long will it take?
Around 20 to 30 minutes.
All right, let's do it.
Great. We'll start right away. Jane, I'm going to give you the anesthetic now. You'll feel a tiny pinch.
Okay, I'm ready.
Very good. Just relax and breathe normally.
I'm trying, but I'm still nervous.
That's understandable. You're doing great so far.
My mouth already feels numb.
Perfect. That means the medicine is working.
How much longer?
Just a few more minutes. I'm cleaning the damaged part of the tooth now.
I can hear the drill, but thankfully I don't feel pain.
Exactly what we want.
I'm glad I came today instead of waiting longer.
Yes, delaying treatment could have made the problem worse.
I'll remember that next time.
All right, Jane. We're almost done.
So, how did the appointment go?
Much better than I expected. The dentist fixed my tooth today.
Really? That was fast.
Yeah, I only needed a filling.
Does your tooth still hurt?
Not anymore. My mouth feels a little numb, but the sharp pain is gone.
That's great news. You look so miserable this morning.
I know. I honestly thought something was seriously wrong.
What did the dentist say?
He said I need to brush and floss regularly and avoid too much sugar.
Sounds like good advice.
He also told me not to ignore tooth pain in the future.
See? I told you to go early.
Yes, you were right. Thanks for convincing me.
No problem. I'm just glad you're feeling better now.
Me too. I can finally sleep peacefully tonight.
So, did this experience teach you anything?
Definitely. I learned that taking care of your teeth is really important.
Most people only realize that after they get a toothache.
True. I used to think skipping brushing once in a while was harmless.
And now?
Now, I know small bad habits can become big problems later.
That's a smart lesson to learn.
The dentist said brushing twice a day isn't enough by itself. Flossing matters too.
Are you actually going to floss every day now?
Yes, I don't want to feel that pain ever again.
I'm going to remind you if you forget.
Please do. I also want to eat less candy and drink less soda.
Wow, Jane is becoming healthy now.
Don't laugh. I'm serious this time.
I believe you.
And I'm going to schedule regular dental checkups from now on.
That's a great plan. Healthy teeth, healthy smile.
Exactly. I learned my lesson the hard way. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.